Welcome once again to another episode. Today I'll be installing the Windows 11 for my friend Eric. He sent his laptop over for a software upgrade. He used to have the Windows 10, but finally he made his decision to switch to the Windows 11. And the laptop I have with me here is an HP EliteBook. So I'll be showing you how to go about the Windows 11 installation. In order to install any operating system, there are certain requirements you need to meet. First of all, you have to download the Windows 11 ISO image, but personally I have my Windows 11 ISO image on this hard drive. And also you need an USB external disk for creating a bootable OS, which I'll be doing it with my USB stick. And also for those who might have some challenges downloading the ISO image, I will pin the link in my description video, and also I will do well to demonstrate it in a short video. Now I'm in File Explorer, and as I said, my Windows 11 ISO image can be found in this folder, as you can see, highlighted by the mouse cursor. And also I have here with me my Rufus software, which I'll be using to create the bootable OS drive. Those of you who will find it difficult downloading the Windows 11 official ISO image, you just head on to the Microsoft browser and type Windows 11 ISO image. After punching in the search, you'll find several options, but I will go ahead and go with the first one. So I'll click on it. For authenticity reasons, I will be sticking with the official Microsoft website, which is the first on the drop-down list. So I'll go with this. Go ahead and scroll down. We don't want the Windows 11 installation assistant, and we don't want to create a Windows 11 media. We just want the ISO. So you come down and select the ISO. So I'll be selecting Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 devices. Then I can go ahead and confirm. Windows prompts us to download a language product, so I'll be selecting English United States. You can choose whatever works for you based on your geographic location, but I'm from an Anglophone country, so I will be choosing the English United States. Then I'll go ahead and click on confirm. So after confirming, I'll go ahead and click on the download 64-bit download. It's a total of 5.4 gigabytes. ISO image has been downloaded. For those of you who will find it difficult, that was why I just made a quick illustration. So I'll go ahead and run the Rufus software. Then you reply yes. And also for the Rufus software, I'll pin the link in the description below for those who have no idea what Rufus is. It's basically a software utility we use to configure operating systems. Rufus has just highlighted our external drive. All we have to do is just select the ISO image. So I'll go ahead and select the ISO image, which in our case is stored on this drive. So we go ahead at the extreme bottom, as you can see, is the Windows 11 English International version. So I'll just click on it and click on open. So after clicking on open, Rufus automatically starts scanning for our ISO image to get it prepared. Okay, so Rufus is done scanning our ISO image, and so from here we'll just have to leave everything as default. And like I told you in my previous video, with every PC or laptop there's a particular partition scheme, and for my friend Eric's laptop is an HP EliteBook, so it's a new gen of PC, so it's a GPT partition scheme. And also our targeted system is the UEFI BIOS system, and from here we'll just leave everything as default and click on start. And also I'd like to make some very important addition here. So Windows user experience, usually for Windows 11 there are several requirements, and Windows 11 requires a minimum of 4 gig RAM, and also you have to enable secure boot and also TPM 2.0. and also I can configure this to automatically remove the requirements for an online Microsoft account. And for Windows 11 OS, it actually requires an online Microsoft account. And also I will set the original options at the same value as my system here, and I would like to skip some privacy questions which Windows usually asks in order to save some time on this video. So I'll be just going with the configuration just like this, but if in your case you want to disregard all this, you can just go ahead and do it according to your preference. Before Rufus starts to do his thing, it's just sending us a caution that our USB drive is about to be formatted. And for me, I have no relevant information on that drive, so I'll just go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see, Rufus starts deleting the partition and configuring our external drive to be ready for a bootable USB. The Rufus is done, so we can just go ahead and eject our USB drive and insert it into our targeted system. So we'll go ahead and click on close. This is our targeted system, so we'll be inserting the USB drive in our system. After inserting, we can just go ahead and turn the system off. Turn it back on. This time you have to be pressing on the F9 key until you find the boot menu pop up on the screen. Okay guys, so now we are in the boot menu and we will have to be selecting our bootable USB drive, which on the screen you can see it on the very top and also highlighted in blue. That is the UEFI USB 2.0. So we'll go ahead and click on enter. Windows 11 has been successfully loaded, so from here I'll just leave everything as default, then I'll go ahead and click on next. Then I'll click on install now, accept the Microsoft software license, then I'll click on next. Then for me, I like to configure my systems using the customize option, so I'll go ahead and select the second one to advanced mode. Then as you can see, there are several partitions here, so I can go ahead and just delete all these partitions so that I can get a clean and fresh install. After manually deleting all these partitions, I'm left with a unified single storage space, so I'll just go ahead and click on next. We are getting ready for an official launch into the actual software. Windows is trying to connect to our Wi-Fi, but I will just not allow it, then we'll proceed from here. After setting our password and all our useful details, we are just a few minutes away from our Windows 11 software. Okay guys, so now Windows 11 has been successfully installed, and as always from here what you need is to update the operating system and also get all your useful drivers. So as you can see, it's just as simple as ABC. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Stay safe and stay positive. Bye bye.